Hello everyone. My name is Lavanya and I'm branch head of Wow Kids Gyan Mudra School. It's located in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. And I'm very much excited to express my journey till date. I decided to start a school with this franchisees and all because before I was having my own schools till 10th standard on the name of Shri Balaji Vidya Niketan. 2006 we started and it was running good. So till 10th standard is different. Knowing having a background of a school structure, again I came to Wow Kids. Just imagine the journey of mine. So in 2019 when I was looking for the schools and franchisees, I was too many people came to approach to me when I was looking at the Euro Kids came, and then Kidsy already was there. And then lastly, I came to Wow Kids. The final last was the Wow Kids, and here my searching was stopped. Why? Because Wow Kids having that wow factor, which is mainly Atul Tyagi sir, Preeti ma'am, and Siddharth sir. So here I know about more I understand about that Montessori thing, how it works, how it helps us. How? Because he trained in that day session. In that session will happen every time whenever you take a franchisee, and Siddharth sir will help you on this. So he explain each and every items whatever has been provided by Wow Kids franchisee. When you will get it, each one will be how it helpful to the kids, how it helpful to the parents to understand the kids and all. And even that play fun and learn concept I understand over here. Then Sana and he's helping Sana, Anna. They were helping us giving all that items, whatever are being, if once it's been dispatched, it's coming over here. Everything has been so perfectly has been going on. I'm so much happy. When after this coming to the pandemic also, we have online. I still remember that online class sessions used to be there for us, for giving us support mentally, because everybody was, and we were new to this things that franchisee and school were shut down. And we wanted something, means they have taken the sessions and the classes. In that pandemic also, online sessions, they ask us, they give a lot of different type of examples, and they are boosters, like the boosters, how that's work, that they work, because the shutdown was there and nothing, how to do, how to manage, how to work out. So Atal Tyagi sir, Preeti ma'am, all were there and they were helping us. From bottom of my heart, I thanks Sir Atul Tyagi sir, because see, in good times, everybody will be there. Everybody will stand and say, yeah, okay, good. But in the bad times, who will help as a franchisee? And what is there? He is having a lot of franchisees, and means they all feel like as a family. So we are family to them. So seriously, nobody, no other franchisee will be like this. Because I have seen other franchisee also, and my friends are also there. They are running schools. So I know about these things. So no franchisee owner or these people will be there, they will support mentally, and mentally they will help you to overcome over your problems and boosting you in your negativity to positivity. So this is the thing where Wow Kids give. I will recommend all the passionate ladies, those who want to run a school, want to do something different in their life, and so here is the best option for you, that is Wow Kids. Choose it, and it is easy for you they will set up you everything. Just you have to use your creativity and hard work, so that's you will be coming it's in a flying colors. Thank you.